I never thought I'd be a healer. When I started practicing Reiki when was it? It was 2011. I could not feel anything. I didn't feel the energies. I did not feel any sensations in my hand, just silence. I doubted myself every step of the way. But I kept showing up. So every Saturday I volunteered at a community center. Back in 2011, the community center was in London. I used to live in London. Nowadays I live in Blackpool. And even though I could not feel anything, or I did not feel anything back then, the people I treated, they always came back again and again. And they used to tell me that they felt lighter. Some other people would say, oh, I felt so much clearer after we had the Reiki treatment. Some people used to tell me they got healed. So, what was a weird time for me. That's a word I'm looking for, weird time. Because I could not believe it. I was always amazed by what people were telling me after treatment. And I always asked myself, so how could something I could not feel actually work? It was always a mystery to me. I was like, how? There was always a massive how there. So I kept going, treating people as normal, but I doubted. Okay, I doubted everything. And at one point I stopped going. I think after 2 or 3 years I stopped going, not just going to the Reiki center. I stopped meditating. I stopped praying. I didn't believe in anything anymore. Then what happens in 2020, out of the blue, all of a sudden I started having panic attacks. I could not breathe. I felt claustrophobic. Sometimes I had to run from inside my house to the garden. I felt there was not enough air available. I felt I was gonna die at one point. I'm not gonna lie to you. And that's when I turned back to Reiki, to meditating. I was trying to heal my own nervous system. And thank God I was able to do it. Today I feel grounded. I feel strong. I know exactly what it's like to think that you're broken. And it's so good when you feel you're broken and you find your way back and you find a way to feel whole again. And that's why I do this work. That's why I work with Reiki, and I like doing guided meditation, sending out energies. And that's why I'm coming now with this video to tell you, you're not alone. Okay, you're not alone. You're not the only one that feels broken. We all feel broken at one point. And we are not broken. We just need to find the way back. We need to start believing again, believing the miracles, receiving the energy, open ourselves to the invisible, to the Creator, to the universe, to God, whatever you call it. And that's why I'm coming here today to let you know, because people, most of the time they think because I'm a healer, I don't feel any of the negativity. Nothing bad happens to me. It's gonna come to me. And it's not like that. We are like everybody else. But thank God, today I can say I'm back to myself. And that's why I came here to you today. So go back to yourself, ask for help, come for my meditations. I'm doing some guided meditations weekly, sending out Reiki energy. So come, start your journey with me. So let's get ourselves back to normal together. I don't need to go back to normal, but I need to stay normal. Never going back to the state I was around 2020. I never want to go back there. So I'm always trying to be grounded, meditating, praying, receiving from the universe. So come with me. Let our journey together begin. Okay, so have a nice day.